Boys and girls, I am going to show you how to play Penny Plate. As you can see, you can use your math reference book to find the directions. It's found on page 146 and 147. The first thing it says, you need 10 pennies and one small plate. So I'm using this as my plate, and these are going to be my pennies. I took 20 just so I can vary the game, but right now I am just going to use 10. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These I'll set aside for later. I'll show you what to do with those. All right. Now, I like to have a scoreboard, so I'm going to use a dry erase marker and a dry erase board. And I'm going to write 10 because we are going to use 10 pennies to play this game. All right. You need a partner. There's my partner. And here are the directions. It says player 1, which I'll let that be my partner, turns the plate upside down and hides some of the pennies under the plate and puts the remaining pennies on top of the plate. So I'm going to turn around and close my eyes, and my player 1, is going to take some of these pennies and hide them under the plate. The rest of the pennies he's going to put on top, and when he's ready for me to look, he will tell me to turn back around. Are you ready for me, Lion? Yes? All right. Let me see. 5 pennies on top. So I have to guess how many are underneath the plate. Well, I know there are 10 pennies altogether. And I'm going to write the names of Lion, and this is me. There are 10 pennies altogether, and I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let me see if I'm right. I'll take those off. Oops, he has one under his foot. Don't cheat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I was right. There are 5 pennies under the plate. So I get a point. Now it's the lion's turn to guess. Lion, turn around. You don't want to see. I'm going to put just a couple pennies under. And the rest of these pennies, I'm going to put on top. All right, Lion, you can turn around. He's looking. He counts the pennies. I think he knows how many are underneath. How many did you say? 2? You are right, because 8 plus 2 equals 10. Very good. So the lion gets a point. Boys and girls, we'll play back and forth, guessing how many pennies are underneath the plate. And the directions say, the first person to get to 5 points wins. Now, if 10 pennies is too easy for you and your partner, you can play with a different amount of pennies. I'll show you. Get out your record sheet. It looks like this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with 15 pennies. So I have to make sure I have 15 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't need these, and I want to set them aside so it doesn't get us mixed up. All right. Now, Lion, turn around. I'm going to hide just a couple of them. All right, Lion. Can you figure out how many I hid? He counts the pennies. He could see, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pennies. 12 pennies are how many he could see. How many do you think are inside, Lion? 3? He thinks there are 3 inside. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. He was right. We counted 3 pennies inside the plate. You can even draw a picture. 1, 2, 3. 3 pennies inside. Very good.